More choices, lower prices, and more sales. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. More homes on the market. Buyers had significantly more choices compared with last July. More supply helped bring prices down about $40,000 compared with July 2023. More choices and lower prices added up to about 200 more homes sold compared with last July. Here comes the local perspective, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, up almost everywhere. Oakland, almost 500 homes on the market. Prices mixed. Albany up 40% to 1.68, while Castro Valley down 10% to 1.1. Sales mostly up. Fremont up 93 sold, San Leandro up more than 50%, and San Lorenzo more than double. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale, up almost everywhere. El Sobrante up more than 90% with 23 on the market. Prices mixed. El Cerrito down 25% to just over $1 million. Hercules and Pinole both up. Sales mixed. Hercules down more than 35%, while San Pablo 16 sold up more than 75%. Let's check Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, up almost everywhere. Pleasant Hill 32 for sale, more than double from last July. Prices mostly down. Martinez at $737,500, down 5%. Walnut Creek stands out, $1.675, up more than 10%. Sales mixed. Clayton down almost 7%. Walnut Creek, even with higher prices, 50 sold, up almost 20%. Next up, La Miranda. Homes for sale, up everywhere. Orinda, 45 for sale, up almost 90%. Prices mixed. Moraga up at 1.9, Orinda down to 2.3. Sales mixed. Lafayette up more than 40%. Moraga down more than 40%. We're in the Tri-Valley next. Homes for sale, up everywhere. Pleasanton, 75 for sale, up more than 125%. Prices mostly up. Livermore, 1.3, up 15%. Pleasanton, 1.76, down slightly. Sales up almost everywhere. Dublin, 35, and Livermore, 78, both up more than 45%. Let's wrap it up in the Delta. Homes for sale, mostly up. Oakley, 78 for sale, up more than 60%. Prices mostly down. Oakley, 655, down 4%. Sales mostly down. Pittsburgh, 32 sold, down almost 30%. Last thoughts. With more choices almost everywhere, buyers took a minute. Days on market during July was 21 compared with 18 last July. Looking ahead, pending sales increased a lot in most communities, which could mean a busy late summer and fall. We'll see you next month.